Morning, guys. How we feeling? There's only 10 of us in here currently, so we'll just be hanging out for a little bit. Good morning, Albu, Martin, Mr. Fox, Chuck, Mason, welcome. Glad you're not working today. Thomas, Khaled. What's up, guys? How we feeling? Yesterday was a bad trading day for me on the stream. We're opening up around 20K today, so I'm probably going to be a little patient. The account sits on 50,976, so I can get it back within 1 day of passing today. Morning, DJ. Ali, welcome. So yeah, I also did realize that the rebill on this combine comes up on the 29th. So next week, if I happen to fail this combine, I'm probably just going to wait for the rebill rather than resetting so close. It'll reset at the end of next week, Thursday or something like that. Yeah, Martin, yesterday was wild. That 980 rapid sell-off, I'm sure, wrecked a lot of accounts yesterday. It was wild. I mean, you lost money on both sides. There's a lot of money to be made, though, if you were on the right side of it. Good morning, Dave. So yeah, that's where we sit. Today what I want to see is I'd really like a pullback at some point to get long. I'll be looking at this 930 to 950 area. I'd like a pullback into 930 and a hold for the launch up here into 20,000, we'll say 20,050 to 20,080. Or even this 850 level for that to hold. Yeah, Mr. Fox, it was like the markets kind of calmed down for about a week and you could trade the minis. But yesterday it just out of nowhere reverted back to the wild volatility that we've been seeing. So, I don't know. We'll be patient today. We'll be executing at our levels. And we'll try to salvage this account. Yeah, Martin, I like that 930 level. You can tell there's lots of action there. It looks like it's going to be a clean break and retest. We already had it once this morning on news. So, yeah. It looks like Albu's levels... He's got an 883 buy and a 718 buy. I'm not sure if we get down this low today. It seems like the market wants more upside. On the higher time frames, the structure looks up. But who knows? We could just chop out today as well. So these will be the two levels that I'll be looking for holds for a long entry. If we do pump on the open and come up into this level, I'll be looking for rejections short and play the short back down. If it clean breaks above this, my next level up is 160 to 180, 20,160 to 180, and that would be the play I'd be looking for. Get these candles a little bit fatter for you guys. Looks like we're a light on the viewers today. So everybody that's in here, you're the real ones. So yeah, guys, if I If I fail this combine today, I'm not going to reset it. I will probably just be trading XFAs on the live stream next week until that reset happens. And I won't be nearly as aggressive with them. Mason and I were talking before the stream, and we did realize that with current market conditions, we couldn't have picked a worse time to start live streaming. It's been difficult trading. I mean, there's traders out there that are killing it in these conditions. I know Kevin's doing really, really well. Tomorrow we will have a special guest appearance on stream as well. Markets are open. DJ Annan, no, it won't. It's not going to be Annan. Not tomorrow, at least. But you will want to tune in. Morning, Phoenix. Are you mentally reset and recovered from yesterday? Yeah, Albu, you'll want to tune in to Tom Hogard. Yeah, I don't think Tom would be willing to come on this channel just yet. We need more subscribers and more viewers. Speaking of which, guys, hit that thumbs up button for me if you could. Tell your friends, tell your family. Subscribe. Morning, Colin. Oh, good to hear, Phoenix. Like people are still slowly rolling in here. We got 17. We do have news in about 13 minutes. I think it's services PMI. And then we also have news at 10 o'clock. I think it's existing home sales. Chat's kind of quiet this morning. Yeah, I haven't seen Nim today either. Hope he's okay. Sorry guys, adjusting my mic. I just realized I was peaking on my OBS. So hopefully I wasn't blowing out your ears. Morning, Kev. Yeah, Dave, I mean, I'm not going to execute at this 20K level. You're asking to get chopped up. So TikTok says open down, AM up. Yeah, like I said, I'd like a pullback into this 930 to 950, or even better, 850 to 830. But I want nothing to do with 20K. Want nothing to do with that level. Yeah, Phoenix. I mean, we can't deny the fact that Kevin's TikTok indicator has been highly accurate as of late. Yeah, Kev, I'm with you. I'll be waiting. I want to pull back. I want to see what price does at that 930 level. Is where I'll be watching. It seems to be like a good break and retest hold for a long, if it holds. I mean, you can see all these tops here. You can see it testing here. I'd like to see it come back down into here and hold for a long. Continue this trend up. Yeah, Kev, just below 900 is what you're seeing. Hopefully you guys are staying out of this for the meantime. And I'm seeing a big block down here at around 910. Yeah, Chris. I wouldn't touch it. I want nothing to do with 20K or an entry near 20K. You know, it's one thing if you're long from down here to be holding a position, but to get involved up here, you're just asking to get chopped up. People are still slowly rolling in. We got 20 in here right now. Thanks for joining me, guys. This live stream makes things a little more interesting. Yeah, Sanders, I don't know if you want to get involved at 20K. It's a dangerous game. I want to see a pullback. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, be smart about it. 20K is chop. I mean, that's expected though. Major psychological level. Usually those levels do have a lot of chop. Hey, Sanders, a winner is a winner. A winner is a winner. Watching the ES here at 56.65 as well. Yeah, Calla, that's right. News in about 3 minutes. And then again in about 18 minutes. Mason, you want to see ES? There's ES. Speaking of which, guys, do you want to see a different chart layout? I mean, I kind of just trade the NASDAQ, so I figured this would be the most optimal setup for you guys. But if you want me to have ES charts up or anything as well, let me know. Yeah, the ES levels look clean. Mason, yeah. I mean, they look clean. Yeah, Sanders, it won't affect my trading. I'm always looking at ES anyway. It's over on my other monitor. Same with the NQ DOM. You know, my account info and all that. That's on a separate monitor. but it's really what you guys would like to see. I do know I look at the ES levels. Looks like Apex released a new sale on their large accounts again. Yeah, yeah, I know. It's like whenever they go back to only having 71% off, you just need to wait a couple days. I think their large accounts are all $50 now, is what I saw. Well, this is an uneventful open, huh? Are you guys actively trading this? Yeah, David, it's gross. Yeah, Colin, I heard that. I heard someone's getting a $1 million payout and someone's getting a $2 million payout. Yeah, Casper, I'm sticking with Top Step for the meantime. I won't be purchasing any Apex accounts anytime soon. That intraday trailing just doesn't make sense to me. The fact that you can blow up an account positive is just crazy. Yeah, that's probably why they can't approve the 3K if they're having to pay out well, let's see, between two traders, $3 million. I mean, I don't know what's going on their, how much liquid they actually have in their business, but that's a lot to pay out. And they have to make those bigger payouts, otherwise that's a massive lawsuit. Oh, Martin, you've got accounts with all three, Apex, Top Step, and Bulenox. Well, absolutely nothing to do here. Ah, Martin, I have faith in you, brother. You'll get your payout. Yeah, how long was the wait before you received your payout, Martin, from Apex? Out of curiosity. It seems to be at least 2 weeks before payouts are getting approved these days, but I don't know. Welcome, Dr. Derp. Coming into that level that I want to watch price at, but with 10 minutes to news, I don't know that I'm going to engage off of that level. I think I'm just going to wait till 10 o'clock. Nice, Khaled. It's good to hear that some people aren't having issues. That's a little more reassuring. I'm just still seeing a lot of people that are. And I'm sure it could just be a staffing issue. Like they just don't have enough people on staff. Like I said, I don't know what's going on behind the scenes over there. But until everything is sorted, I won't have accounts with them. And that's just a personal choice. Dr. Derp, I use Financial Juice to see all my news. It's free. You can just go to financialjuice.com and you can see what news is on the economic calendar today. So you can see here anything with the red dot or bubble means there's a chance of high volatility during those releases. Yeah, doctor, cheers. Of course, there are other economic calendars out there that you could use. I want to say another one is Forex Factory. Yeah, stay out of the chop. I mean, this 950 long would have worked out for 20 points currently, but I'm going to wait until 10 o'clock, till after home sales. Is it just me, or does the good price action seem to be happening during London session a lot recently? And then regular trading hours looks like this. Or at least while I'm streaming, looks like this. It seems like the worst times to trade have been while I've been live streaming. Oh, Martin, Trading Economics has the economic calendar on it. Doctor, I'm not sure where you live, but it's I want to say London Open is 3:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. So basically from here to now. Okay, yeah, 3:30 a.m. Eastern Standard is London Open. Well, anybody a VWAP buyer today? Anybody get paid on the VWAP buy once again? Yeah, I'm not quite sure why regular trading hours on the open has looked like this every day. I just need to learn to be more patient with these opens. Almost just let initial balance set in. I know IBH and IBLs have been playing a lot. But it seems by the time that it's set, I'm wrecked. Delete VWAP? Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's a ridiculous indicator. Oh, I guess I'll just sit back here for a few minutes. Wait. How we doing today, guys? Anybody actually actively trading this chop? Anybody catch that 950 long? Or is everybody just waiting on news? Yeah, Kev. I see nothing but green. I mean, we're back above the 20. We're back above the 50. Yep, I'm in agreement with you. Longs only. Yeah, Albu, I mean, if you just set limit orders at the boxes, generally, I have noticed there usually is at least a 10-point reaction when price does hit the extremes. I mean, you might take a little bit of heat, like it might wick, but generally there's a little reaction at the extremes of my levels. Oh, they're not my levels, they're the market's levels, but I don't want to seem too high ego. Oh, this is gross. Casper, what's the order type so you can get the buys without market ordering in? What? It's called a limit order. However, what trading platform are you on? Are you on Quant Tower? If you're on Quant Tower, Casper, it's this little mouse icon up here. You would just left click it, and then you would right click to buy limit wherever you want. You can just place it wherever you want it to get in, or you can sell stop for a short. Does that make sense? Kev, you're looking for a 960 long? I want a little bit lower. Okay, good. Yeah, just use that little mouse icon. Oh, Kev, you're gonna be cooking, huh? I don't hate a 930 long if it holds, but I'm gonna wait to see if 930 gets hit. Yeah, Casper, cheers. Yeah, I'm just seeing this big block down here. That seems to be where price is magnetized to at like 910. Let me see how big that block is down there. It's an 80 block right now at 909. Yeah, Dave, I agree. VWAP is the worst. It's the absolute worst. Oh, this is ugly. This is ugly, guys. I really want price to come down to this level. I mean, no offense, Kev. I know you're long. But I really want to see what happens here at 9:30. After we sweep this wick here. All right, if this holds up and we reclaim 950, I'll probably get long. I'd like for it to clean out some of this below 930. Like maybe come down into this 910 to 900 area and hold. Well, Kevin, you're cooking right now, brother. Hopefully your micros. Nice, Mason. Yeah, Kev, you are cooking. All right, guys, I think I'm going to try the long here. Gave me a really bad fill. Gave me an extremely bad fill. Morning, Nima. All right, I'm gonna add here. And if it's done, it's done. I've only got a little bit of room to the downside here. Just try to salvage this thing, see if we can get a bounce. I probably should have just taken it when I had a little bit of profit there. All right, I'm gonna kill this. I got out with a little bit of profit. Probably should have held, but I didn't like it. Didn't like where my entry was. Nima, I've only just taken one trade. It's the trade that you just saw there. And I had to salvage it. I had to DCA in just to get it back to flat. So I'm up I'm up $10 on the day. Oh yeah, Mason, it's inevitable. This is a good bounce spot. It is. In fact, I might re-engage here. See if we can get a little bounce. Yeah, it's just sellers are heavy right now. Yikes. That's new lows. I'm going to have to kill this thing. We'll wait and see if it wants to get back above 900. It just feels so heavy right now. Maybe should have waited for this 850 to get tapped first. Slides down are a lot easier than the moves up right now. I will say that. Yeah, this is gone. I'm flattening that. It's a $600 loss. Well, I've got $373 to go. Of course. Of course, as soon as I get out, it's going to recover. Makes sense. I do think this thing recovers. It's just now I want to wait for 850 to get traded. I mean, I guess I could put on a starter on micros and try to salvage it. Honestly, Mason, I'm to the point though where I need to swing for the fences on this thing. But I'll wait for a reclaim of 930 and holding above for the long at this point, or a test down here into 850. I'll be right back, guys. Well, I see the market did me dirty once again, huh? Lovely. Lovely. Oh, Anna, nice of you to join us. Oh, is it gonna do it to me again? And I don't know how you're shorting this still, brother. I have no clue how you're shorting this still. No idea. Where in this do you see opportunity to short? Explain this to me. I mean, GG's if you caught the short up there from the top. You just have to believe. It's all right. I've only been longing and I've been getting wrecked, so somehow I've been getting wrecked longing into this market. Oh, guys, I'm going to risk my combine on this move, probably. I'm looking at the ES, just reclaim support. Wait for a little bit lower. All right, I'm long. If it takes me out, it takes me out. I'm done with this thing. And I'm sure it will. Gave me the worst possible entry. All right, guys, that's that combine gone. Good riddance. Good riddance. Good riddance.
Yeah, the rebuild's not till the 29th, so I probably won't be trading Combine next week or tomorrow on the live stream. I'll just trade my XFAs.
And that'll be that. I'll just wait for the rebuild to get back on the Combine. Oh, it's okay. I'm not worried about it. Market conditions weren't optimal at all during my live. Well, last week they were okay. But as soon as this volatility started picking back up again, the 50Ks just aren't it. Unless you're trading extremely small size. So that's on me. I'm probably going to call it there for today. I will still be hanging out in the Discord. But I'm not going to get involved here in anything until the levels hit. And that's my mistake as well, is not playing the levels during this live stream, having FOMO. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to end it there. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe. Stay patient. And I will see you tomorrow morning at 9:20 a.m. Eastern with a special guest. So you'll want to tune in. Peace.